Hello and welcome to our channel Technical Anitians. If you are new here, then please do subscribe to our channel. Today we are bringing up the review and basically will give you the answer for why this Lenovo ThinkBook 14 is not worth for your money. Keep watching this video till end to get your answer. Since its inception in the early 1990s by IBM, the ThinkPad brand has been associated with high-end enterprise-grade computing. ThinkPad models, usually sold in an all-black paint scheme with red accents, have generally never come cheap, except the relatively newer E and L series ones. Lenovo, the ThinkPad brand's second owner, launched the IdeaPad brand in early 2008 to cater to everyday consumers. These models are generally more colorful and stylish. Since then, both brands have had distinct definitions and coexisted independently. Now, however, Lenovo is throwing a new name into the mix called ThinkBook. The new sub-brand from Lenovo finds itself straddling the space between the ThinkPad and IdeaPad in terms of features, looks, and even price. So, not wasting much time, now let's have a look over its build and design. The ThinkBook 14 in its plain silver color option, it looks like a slightly beefed up IdeaPad S340, and that's not a bad thing at all. The top and bottom covers are made of anodized aluminum and the laptop offers sufficient grip when it's being pulled out of a bag or carried around between conference rooms. Though it weighs an industry accepted 1.5 kilograms, the ThinkBook 14 feels heavier than most other 14 inchers in the same price range. A large but dull ThinkBook badge adorns the lower right corner of the top cover, giving the laptop its identity. Opening the lid reveals a 14-inch display with a matte finish. The ThinkBook 14 has a display that folds all the way back to 180 degrees, which is really convenient. Let's talk about its keyboard and touchpad. The ThinkPad has arguably one of the most comfortable keyboard setups out there. The keys on it are quite easy to press, which makes them offer more travel and much better feedback, making them suitable for long documents and emails. What's more, they come with dedicated keys for call, answer, or end. These keys are programmed to work with calling apps such as Skype on Windows. Also, Lenovo says the laptop's keyboard is designed to withstand minor liquid spills, which means if you knock your lime mint cooler over, you should turn the laptop over immediately to drain it. Because it's not a pure blooded ThinkPad, it doesn't get drain holes at the bottom. Oh, and it also doesn't get the famous track point and dedicated click keys. That's not fair, right? Anyways, let's talk about its display, which doesn't attract us much even after having an anti-glare and full HD resolution because the panel sorely lacked contrast, brightness and color. So display wise we can say this hurts us the most. The sound from its two down-firing speakers is flat, dull, feeble and unexciting too. For connectivity, the ThinkBook 14 comes with plenty of ports. On the left side of its 0.7-inch thick body, there is a LAN port, a USB-A 3.1 port, two USB-C 3.1 ports, and a 3.5 jack for headsets. On the right side, we see a proprietary power port, a USB-A 3.1 port, a full-size SD card reader, and a Lenovo hidden port. That's basically a USB-A 2.0 port that is tucked away deep inside a tethered flap with enough space to accommodate a wireless mouse dongle. ThinkBook 14 features a physical sliding shutter for its webcam. This means you no longer have to go around tapping that camera shut with sticky notes that peel off easily. The ThinkBook 14 has one more trick up its sleeve. Its large circular power button doubles as a fingerprint scanner. This means that if you push the button with a registered fingerprint, Windows 10 will boot up and log you right in without asking for authentication a second time. This thoughtful feature is bound to save your some time and energy when you are hurriedly getting set up for a meeting or presentation. Good job, Lenovo. One more interesting feature is, like most enterprise ready machines, the ThinkBook 14 is equipped with discrete TPM, that is Trusted Platform Module 2.0, which is a dedicated cryptographic coprocessor for data encryption. In Microsoft Books, it is capable of random number generation and secure generation and limitation of cryptographic keys. On the basis of its performance, we can say that it fares splendidly on storage test. The Lenovo ThinkBook 14 can be configured with up to an Intel 10th generation Core i7 CPU with 6 cores. I don't know why they are still using the 6 core processor. Anyways, it comes along with 24 GB of RAM and 2 TB of storage on a hard drive or 1 TB on a solid state drive. Also, it comes with a quad-core variant of the top-end processor. Apple's MacBook also comes with quad-core ones, but their optimization in the real-world situation is unbeatable by this ThinkBook. So in my opinion, go for the 6-core one. Otherwise, leave this, because after some years, when Deca core will be on rage, this quad core will definitely lag somewhere behind. It is complemented by 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage on a solid state drive. Book 14 can be bought with discrete graphics in the form of an AMD Radeon 625 graphics card. Again, they made compromise with the Nvidia graphics and switched towards AMD. For battery, the ThinkBook 14 comes equipped with a 45 watt hour non-removable lithium ion battery, and it is not up to the mark because most probably it will last up to 6 hours on battery power if you play your cards, which is decent but nowhere close to great. In summary, we can say that Lenovo ThinkBook 14 comes with ample computing power and a few nifty features that will prove to be useful in the average office environment, but fails to get the basic rights such as display, audio and touchpad. So that was all you need to know before buying Lenovo ThinkBook 14. Now taking my leave, we'll see you all in our next video. Also, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to Technical Anitians. Goodbye and stay safe.